You will need a pack of sausages. I'm using spicy beef. You'll need your hard-boiled eggs. And to prepare the sausages, you need to peel off the outer cover, as you can see me doing in the video. I have sped it up a little, so it's not that I'm doing it that fast. If you find yourself struggling, it's okay. Be patient with yourself. You again peel the eggs, remove the shells. It's okay if there's some flesh that will come out with the peel. It's not a problem. We'll cover that. Nobody's gonna know, I promise. After you've done that, here are your eggs, and also here are your peeled sausages. They're ready to coat. Now for this process, you need to wet your hands first, because the sausage meat is very sticky. So when you wet your hands, just any water, wet your hands and spread it out like that. Put the egg inside. This takes a lot of patience. Again, I'll speed up the video a little bit. So if you find yourself struggling, it's okay. Be patient with yourself. So that's how you coat it on one side. Some people use two sausages. I prefer using one because two is a bit thick for me. You can do what you prefer. Also, I'd like to advise that you use beef sausages. I have worked with chicken sausages before. I tried it one time. I wanted a different taste, but the meat of chicken, as you know, is very stretchy. So it was not adhering properly. It was just coming off. It was not sticking to itself. It was bad. It was a nightmare. I literally spent 30 minutes on one egg. I gave up. So that's a side note. Any type of beef sausage is okay. I've not tried pork. If anybody has tried pork, please tell us in the comments so that we know for our next projects. Yeah, so that's how the egg ball, scotched egg, will look like. Yeah, that's the one that had pinched a little bit of flesh when I was peeling, and you can't even tell which one it is. You see, it's amazing. So in another plate, break an egg, put a little bit of salt to taste. Also, you need breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs, I got them from a bakery. You can make them at home. I can show you how to make them at home. If you want, let me know in the comments. So you put your egg balls, scotched eggs, into the egg wash and then onto the breadcrumbs. To coat it with the breadcrumbs, you give it a nice rolly, and it will be nice and coated. It's a kind of a messy process, but they turn out beautiful. At this point, they look delicious already, but don't be tempted. They are not cooked yet. So you need to heat up some oil in your pan, dip them one by one, give them time to cook. Be sure to keep turning them. Oh, there's one sausage that didn't get a partner, so it goes in by itself. And when they're ready, they'll be golden and a bit crispy. And here they are. They're amazing. They're yummy. Enjoy.